Hey, how you doing there? Got these robot arms. I'm gonna try to pick this up. Come on. Take my glove. I did it, I did it, I did it. This is so much fun. I might poke my eye out. The range of motion, it's like a box like this. Same thing with here. And the boxes, they don't really overlap, so it's very hard to manipulate things in the middle. If I clamp these arms to the table this way, we're gonna turn, we're gonna grab this. Nice, nice. Okay, I got it like this. Now all I gotta do is make sure I grip, turn on motion. I gotta bring it, oh. I give up. Let's see if I can type. H, E, okay, a little imprecise, L, O, spacebar, W, F, D. See if I could shave. I think that's a bad idea. Ooh. Okay. Maybe I'll just grab it like this. It's like me trying to brush my teeth by pinching. I could type, but can it write? Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. Gotta uncap it. Alright, it doesn't have the strength. Not bad. Hey, this is not bad. Does touchscreen work? No! Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get out. Get out of here. Get out of here, stupid box. Oh, this feels so weird. I'm an octopus. Alright, it's time to say goodnight, buddy. I got the robot arms working with VR input. The next step is to add a camera, and then I'll have a remote shell. Since I'm using VR input anyway, if I want to start in California, 3D print, and I'm in New Zealand, I could just put on a VR headset, kind of be in my room for a couple of minutes, and it's basically all of the way there. But that's not actually what I'm going to do because I don't plan on traveling for a while. What I really want to do is work on 3 secret projects that do involve adding a camera, so I gotta add a camera anyway. Pros are, these are pretty cheap, 100 to 200 bucks. It's kind of intuitive just to move your arms and have the robot arms move with them, and then you kind of grip and the robot arm grips. It's a lot better than just typing in a bunch of numbers. What's also cool about it is I could add a lot more functionality because this is basically a fully blown computer. I kind of use common components, so if I wanted to go out and build 100 of these, tomorrow I could order the parts for 100 and assemble them. There are some limitations. It is kind of fragile. I mean, as I was going about, like some nuts fell off. I did wrap them in socks because I wanted it to be soft. As you can see, I didn't want them to hit something. There's like a very limited box that you could move. The cheap motors that I bought, they actually didn't have their full range of motion. I think one thing that I might want to do is have it run on belt drives. It's pinch only. Imagine like I'm going around, a lot harder pick something up if you're pinching rather than using your whole hand. It's also very hard to manipulate something if you're pinching rather than if you can have your whole, hand there. Either way, learned a lot. I do want to work more on this. What I want to do is recording and playback, have a kind of robot band. I also have 4 other projects that I want to do. One on social media, one on gaming, one that's a double robot, and one on music and music videos. So I gotta start working on that. But this was fun. Now I'm gonna go. Bye-bye. Do 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 do.